bino bisuseeko saba wetangire n'akatangawuzi.
DMO Online Television rates this program as TVMA. It is intended to be viewed by mature adult audiences, and may be unsuitable for children under 17 as it might contain strong political themes, gestures, and body actions.
The Bijambiya, the murders, the killing of suspects, the president is talking about, it is an inside job. Naye muti muswalako basajja mmwe bwe mwogera ebintu ng'ebyo temuswalako nti ekitundu kiri kimu, a village, not a district, but you handled in northern Uganda. Bushi, the terrain was hostile. You defeated the Koni. You defeated the Otai.
La Kwena.
No. Bagundi. Basajja mmwe muswaleko. Neddi. Oyo Museveni mumubbe. Museveni ya mumubbe naye ffe tetuli basiru. If you want to cheat money, cheat Museveni using security. Yes. You cheat Museveni using elections, using security. Nemwe basajja mmwe. Do you believe that all of people in Uganda are fools? You think we are fools?
Imagine.
Museveni tumukubireko mu ngalo. Yes, let us scrap for Museveni. If Museveni can accept this stupid explanation from people. The person who was training in Antaba was killed from a police pickup when the policemen died in the process of protecting suspects. These ones who are crucial in Katumba's murder were killed. A government that had defeated the Koni. A government that has defeated Al-Shabaab. A government that has defeated these people who were raiding Uganda from Congo. A country who has exhibited military powers in southern Sudan, in Somalia, Equatorial Guinea. No.
Central African Republic.
Take that rubbish to somebody else.
Pena tuzaliwa kufa. Rabana loli nange. Pena tuzaliwa kufa. Nayo no loli nange. Okanja baloja